जैसे बंगाल में आज एक पिशाची जन्म लिया है, वो क्या करता है सब लोग को पता है, लेकिन मीडिया वाले ये नहीं बोलते हैं, ये पूरा फेक न्यूज़ करके बोलते हैं। लेकिन हम लोग को, हमारे पास पूरा सबूत है। वी हैव प्रूफ ऑफ एवरीथिंग। ऑल एथनिक क्लेंसिंग बाय चीफ मिनिस्टर Mamata's TMC jihadi terrorists. They are ethnic cleansing Hindus in Bengal, just like it happened in Kashmir. We are not going to allow this happen. People are with us. People who fight for justice are with us. Injustice anywhere is threat to justice everywhere. Or I want to tell you one more thing. This is not mine, but some Mahatma had said that if something bad happens and you keep quiet, you are responsible for it because you are encouraging it. So I request all people who have some buddhi, some wisdom, not intelligence, wisdom, get up, wake up and fight for this injustice in Bengal by Chief Minister Mamata.
Mamata! Vande! Vande! Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Vande!
And I forgot to add another thing. This is not about a party. It is not about BJP versus Mamata. It is about Hindus. All the Hindus. It is time to come out and show your support now. It is now or never.
Yes, exactly. That's exactly right. This is not about politics. This is about religious killings. This is about ethnic cleansing. We are here speaking about the blackballing and the complete media blackout of what is happening in West Bengal right now, where Hindu people, Hindu women are being raped, Hindu people are being kicked out of their homes, which are being burned. People are fleeing into the neighboring states of Jharkhand and Assam right now. And we are here standing in the rain because the media, the international media, which never covers ethnic cleansing of Hindu people in the world, whether it's in Pakistan, whether it's in Bangladesh, is not covering this incident either. And we know that if we don't stand here in the rain and talk about this right now, that nobody else will. So that's why we're here today, and we certainly hope that through the telecast that's going out, that more people will join us in supporting us and lead their voice to this movement. So thank you so much.
Here NRIs in Edison, we are concerned and we strongly condemn the post-poll violence in Bengal. It's been orchestrated by TMC, and Mamata Banerjee and the TMC think that they can stifle the opposition and they can suppress the opposition and they can do anything they want in the state without concerning any law and order in the state. So, but people will teach her a lesson. But meanwhile, we urge the government, central government, to take action in Bengal, because I think there are some, that's a human rights issue. It's not just a political violence, but it's a human rights issue, and we should all be, we are concerned about it. And some other speakers have, said about the media blackout. People are not talking about what's happening in Bengal. I think it's a big concern. It's not only for the people in India, but also all NRIs across the world. 30 million of us, we are all concerned about the Bengal violence, and we need to take action now. Thank you.
Mothers and daughters in West Bengal safe? No. There is a enormous brutality, genocide is happening in West Bengal, and these protests are being held across cities, not just United States, but across different cities in different countries. And if we don't speak up now, this can result to the partition of West Bengal from India. This is something we need to understand. And this will lead to also the different parts of the India being partitioned and become different Pakistans in the country. So what right now, as we can see, there are the rapings and burnings of the homes, molestations, and 1 lakh people, 100,000 people are in the middle of the pandemic today. They are out of their homes burnt, and they are taking refuge in different cities, states, neighboring states in West Bengal. So what happened in Direct Action Day, what happened in Noakhali, what happened in Pakistan where they reduced the population of Hindus from 23% to 1.8%, this can happen today before our eyes in West Bengal, and that can spread across not just West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and rest of the parts of the country. So Hindus, and they have to wake up. As somebody said, justice anywhere, injustice anywhere, injustice everywhere. So as they say, if we don't speak up, there is evil in this world not because there are bad people, but because good people who choose not to speak about it and not to raise against it. I request everybody to stand up and fight for this thing and make sure West Bengal come under President's rule and Mamata be arrested for crimes against humanity. Thank you.
आप लोगों ने काफी बातें पहले ही बोल दी है। मैं वो बातें बोलना चाहती हूँ जो अभी तक किसी ने नहीं बोली, और वो बातें ये हैं कि अब समय आ गया है कि हमें देश का संविधान बदलना है। बिकॉज अगर इसी तरह देश का संविधान चलता रहा तो न केवल बंगाल, धीरे धीरे करके देश के सारे राज्य हमारे हाथ से निकल जाएंगे। कोई भी राज्य ऐसा नहीं बचा है जहाँ पे मुसलमानों की पॉपुलेशन ना बढ़ी हो। इसलिए अभी जरूरत है कि आप लोग सब मिलकर विदेशों से आवाज उठाएं कि संविधान बदलो, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बदलो। और ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बिल्कुल घिसा पिटा है, अंग्रेजों का बनाया है। उस समय ये समस्या नहीं थी और ये समस्या बाद में आई है और इसको हमारे नेताओं ने बढ़ाया है और आज भी बढ़ा रहे हैं। आज मैंने अभी आते आते कार में खबर सुनी है कि शिवाजी महाराज की जन्म स्थली पर कसाई खाना बन रहा है, कसाई खाना बनने जा रहा है और वो भी महाराष्ट्र में।
We are doing this because what is going on in West Bengal under Mamata Banerjee's government, it is tremendous atrocity and tremendous killing and raping. Any kind of killing is not should not be tolerated. Raping women and creating that kind of problem in West Bengal. When I heard the news that, oh my God, in West Bengal it is happening, how can we let it happen? And a lot of the times NRIs have a lot of voice and want to get together. This morning in Times Square, a similar protest that has taken place. We want to make sure, let people know that being a Hindu doesn't mean you are deaf mute. You have to act and you have to speak up, because killing and raping cannot be tolerated, and we have to show strength. I know it is Mother's Day and people are busy with their mothers, understand that, but this is a very important cause. As NRIs, we should voice our concern and write to the proper authorities and take action. Not taking any action is not acceptable. Thank you.
We all Hindus are here to show our support to our brothers and sisters in West Bengal. What is happening had been happening ever since, and it is the high time that we speak up now. I come from a family background where we also have been persecuted 45 years back, and now I see the same thing is now percolating into the West Bengal, and if we don't speak up today, then probably we can never save our West Bengal, the beautiful land. And that's why we decided that we should speak up. And I'm so grateful that all my friends, and they are all from all part of the India. They are not just Bengali. They are from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, even Nepal, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and everywhere. I'm so grateful to them, and I request everybody that speak up now, or you will be giving up forever. Please speak up for our brothers and sisters in West Bengal. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, ममता डाउन डाउन, 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 वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे
जय जय माता,
भारत माता,
जय जय माता,
भारत माता, वंदे 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 भारत माता की ममता 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 भारत माता की वंदे वंदे
భారత్ మాతాకి జై. ఇవాళ ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తున్నారు వెనకాల ఎంతో మంది హిందూ బంధువులు అందరు ఇక్కడ న్యూ జెర్సీలో ఎడిసన్ నగరంలో వచ్చాం. మనము వచ్చిన కారణము వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్ రాష్ట్రంలో మమతా బెనర్జీ గారు ఒక మారుణ కాండ మనల్ని హిందూ బ్రదర్స్ సిస్టర్స్ని దారుణంగా చంపి దుర్మార్గంగా ఎటువంటి మీడియాలో ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా రానివ్వకుండా ఒక నియంతగా పరిపాలన సాగుతోంది. దీన్ని ఖండిస్తూ మొత్తం అందరూ హిందూ బంధువులందరూ మేల్కోవాలి అని వాళ్ళని ప్రాధేయపడ్డేదానికి మనం వాళ్ళందరినీ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. దయచేసి హిందూ బంధువులారా మేలుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు మేలుకోకపోతే మీరు ఇంక ఎప్పటికీ మేల్కోలేరు. మరొక పాకిస్తాను, మరొక కశ్మీరు, మరొక బలోచిస్తాన్ అవుతుంది మన హిందూ దేశము, మన భారతదేశము. భారతదేశము ఈజ్ కన్సిడర్డ్ టు బి ద ల్యాండ్ ఆఫ్ హిందూస్. ఆ ఒక ల్యాండ్ కూడా మనకి పోయిందంటే ప్రపంచంలో ఇంకా ఎవ్వరూ శాంతిగా ఉండలేరు.
నమస్కారం అండి, జై శ్రీరామ్. నా పేరు భార్గవ గొర్తి, న్యూ జెర్సీ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నా. ఇప్పుడు మనం రీసెంట్గా చూసిన అట్రాసిటీస్, కిల్లింగ్స్, రేప్స్ వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్లో దాన్ని తీవ్రంగా మనం హిందువులందరూ ఖండించాలి. హిందువులందరూ ఏకంగా అయ్యి కుల భేదాలు తీసేసి యునైట్ అయ్యి బెంగాల్లో ఒక లెసన్ చెప్పాలి. బెంగాలీస్ హూస్ ఎవర్ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ అట్రాసిటీస్ ఆన్ హిందూస్, ఇట్స్ టైమ్ టు వేక్ అప్ బిఫోర్ యూ లూజ్ యువర్ ల్యాండ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై శ్రీరామ్.
నమస్కారం అండి, నా పేరు విలాస్ జంబులా, న్యూ జెర్సీ. ఈరోజు ఎడిసన్ ప్రాంతంలో మేమందరం కలిసి బెంగాల్లో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి మత హింసని వ్యతిరేకంగా మమతా ఖాన్ రిజైన్ చేయాలని చెప్పి మేము ఇక్కడ సమావేశమయ్యాం. బెంగాల్లో జరిగిన మత హింసని మేమందరం ఎన్ఆర్ఐలు అందరూ ఖండిస్తున్నాం. ఈరోజు ప్రపంచమంతా 5 ఖండాలలో 30 దేశాలలో 50 నగరాలలో ఈరోజు మమతా బెనర్జీకి వ్యతిరేకంగా నిరసన కార్యక్రమం జరిగింది. ఇమ్మీడియట్గా బెంగాల్లో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి హింసని ఆపాలని రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వాన్ని కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ఇమ్మీడియట్గా బర్తరఫ్ చేసి రాష్ట్రపతి పాలన పెట్టాలని ఎన్ఆర్ఐలు అందరం డిమాండ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈరోజు మదర్స్ డే, ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ మదర్స్ డే రోజు సొంత ఇంటికల అందరూ హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలని కోరుకుంటాం. కానీ బెంగాల్లో ఈరోజు అలాంటి స్వేచ్ఛ లేకుండా పోయింది. ఇలాంటి సంఘటనలు పునరావృతం కావద్దని కోరుతూ బెంగాల్లో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వాన్ని బర్తరఫ్ చేసి రాష్ట్రపతి పాలన విధించాలని మేము ఎన్ఆర్ఐని డిమాండ్ చేస్తున్నాం. భారత్ మాతాకి జై, జై హింద్.
Now I would request one of you to tell us why we are assembled here and why it is important for everyone to know what we are doing. Satya Dosapati ji.
We are assembled here because of what is happening in West Bengal post election results in state where nearly 1 lakh people, 100,000 people were homeless today. Their houses are burnt. There are videos of people being their head beheaded. There are videos of people beaten up. There are videos of people, women raped. So there is enormous brutality going on. This is something similar to what we have seen in partition and direct action day. This is the beginning of it, and this can once if we let this happen in West Bengal, tomorrow it will be Telangana and other states. We will have a mini Pakistans in India. Either we decide and take a decisive action, or give in to this fanaticism and we commit suicide. We request the government to take action, to take Mamata Banerjee to court for what she is doing. What she is doing, committing genocide, ethnic cleansing going on, and we are standing here
across different cities in the United States, across different cities in different countries, to stand up for the rights of Hindu people who are being ethnically cleansed from West Bengal.